Why, hello there.
Welcome to Spanish Subjunctive video lesson.
Please meet our actors.
Here is Black Smoke and Bear Claw. I think they're ready to get the show on the road.
On to subjunctive.
Yeah, subjunctive. It is a mode, not a tense. Say it with me now.
A mode,
Not a tense.
Indicative and subjunctive are the two different types of modes.
Yes, indicative is when the information is known to exist. For example, tengo un viaje que tiene comida incluida. I have a trip that has food included. The traveler already knows that his trip has the food included.
Now the subjunctive is different from the indicative form.
Subjunctive is when the information is uncertain to exist. An example would be quiero un viaje que tenga las comidas incluidas. The translation will be I want a trip that has the food included. This is when we would switch the ending.
When we decide to use subjunctive, we will switch the endings.
Ending switches. An AR verb would convert to the ER-IR ending, therefore saying ES, emos, N. We'll take hablar in the yo form, for instance. It would change to hable, not habla.
Ending switches. An ER-IR verb would change to the AR ending. Therefore, we would use the endings a, as, amos, and on. Beber in the eos form, for instance, would be beban.
You think I could use that? How you do, ma'am? Nah, doesn't even call.
Now for irregulars.
Woo! Conocer, saber, dar, hacer, oír, poner, salir, ser, ver, tener, venir, ir, estar, and haber are some of the irregulars we will come across when we use the indicative and subjunctive. Stem changers. Here are some exciting facts about them.
There are 4 stem changers we will use. They are E to IE, O to UE, E to I, and U to UE. Only some verbs pertain to this rule.
Many verbs only stay the same in the nosotros form. We call them boot verbs. For an example, we will use dormir.
In every form but nosotros, the O changes to an UE, making it duerma or duerman. Except when we use to put it in the nosotros form, we only switch it to U, dormamos.
Verbs ending in car, gar, and zar change also.
Car, the ending switch to K. Pescar changes to be pesque, pesques, pesque, pesquimos, and pesquen. The subjunctive endings only change whether we use the ER or IR.
Gar. The ending switch to GUE. Pegar changes to be pegue, pegues, pegue, pegemos, and pegen. Some gar verbs have a stem changer, jugar to jugue.
Zar, the ending switch to CE. Kazar changes to be case, cases, case, casimos, and casen. Some zar verbs have a stem changer, empezar to empise.
Isn't that some interesting stuff?
Oh, you bet it is.
Hola que.
Yes, my favorite.
Hola que translates to mean I hope. We use hola que when we want something to happen for others.
For instance, when we say, I hope that I meet Jennifer Lawrence, in Spanish it would be, Hola, que yo conozca Jennifer Lawrence.
If we use hola que in hopes for someone else, we could say hola que tú conozcas Jennifer Lawrence, which means I hope that you meet Jennifer Lawrence.
Overall, hola que is used when we want to hope or wish for someone to do something. Impersonal expressions. Now we can use them for many things.
We use them when we advise someone. For instance,
Es bueno means it is good. Es mejor means it is better. And es fantástico means it is fantastic.
we use these impersonal expressions when we want to tell someone an opinion or fact.
Expressions.
The person tells another how they feel. They can express if they feel happy, angry, sad, surprised, etc.
Everybody feels different, and we use different sayings to express how we feel.
That's all, folks.
We would like to thank everyone for tuning into our show today, and we hope you learned a bit about the indicative and subjunctive.
I would like to personally thank our lovely actors, Black Smoke and Bear Claw.
We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Subjunctive, yeah, subjunctive. Subjunctive, yeah, subjunctive.
For sure,
So
it's
that
got that